Hey everyone, it's a student driver here and I hope you're all doing well. This week I have the 2021 Ford Explorer in the XLT trim in for review. If you're new to the channel, I publish car reviews regularly and I try my best to bring unbiased, no-frills car reviews to YouTube. In each review, I systematically go over each vehicle's exterior, interior, performance and handling, safety, and utility before assigning each vehicle a letter grade. So, without further ado, let's kick off this review by looking at the Explorer's exterior. I really like the look of the 2021 Ford Explorer. Coming in at 119 inches long and 81 inches wide, the Explorer is a mid-sized crossover SUV. My model came in with 20-inch carbon gray wheels, full LED lighting, power liftgate, as well as a dual exhaust system. Under the hood, the Explorer is powered by the 2.3-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine, which puts out 300 horsepower and 310 foot-pounds of torque when mated to the 10-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This Explorer also features the optional towing package, which includes tow hooks and a 5,600-pound towing capacity. I am personally a fan of the Explorer's interior. I like the layout and all the cubby holes and spaces Ford engineered into the SUV. I also really liked how comfortable the Explorer felt. Seats are super supportive with plenty of leg and headroom, and my rear passengers in the cabin seats reported the same. Rear cargo room is also excellent. I found it to be superbly usable. A third row of seats is also available, however they're going to be a little tighter. The Ford Explorer uses the Sync 3 touchscreen infotainment system, which is very intuitive and simple to use. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard as well. The only downsides of the Explorer's cabin were some of its buttons, which unfortunately felt a little less robust than I would have liked. On the safety side, however, the Ford Explorer received a 5-star safety rating from the NHTSA, and it was an IIHS Top Safety Pick. When it comes to the Ford Explorer's handling, I was pleasantly surprised by how dialed in it felt. For an SUV, the Ford Explorer just excels around the corners, and tight bends are no problem for this vehicle. The suspension is good enough to absorb bumps and road jitters, but it still keeps the vehicle level around corners, with the Ford Explorer feeling super tight to drive. Steering is also precise, responsive, and smooth, and road feels present, so you always know where your wheels are pointed. The standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine is also a total banger. When you press on the gas, the power delivery is lag-free and potent, and you can expect a sub-6-second 0-to-60 mile/hour time. Not only is it powerful, you can expect a combined fuel economy of 10.3 liters per 100 kilometers, or 27 miles per gallon, which is respectable for such a large vehicle. In conclusion, the 2021 Ford Explorer is a mid-sized crossover SUV that definitely brings some great things to the table. I love its utility, seating, comfort, excellent handling, as well as its remarkable 2.3-liter EcoBoost power plant. If you're looking for a vehicle to take on a road or camping trip, the Explorer is an excellent choice. The only downsides revolved around build quality, where I definitely felt that some of the buttons could have felt a little more robust. However, taken all together, I really like the Ford Explorer, and as the student driver, I give the Ford Explorer an A.